Hi children, today we are discussing about electric generator. Means alternating current electric generator is nothing but AC electric generator. So here AC means alternating current. Alternating current means the every half of the circle rotation it can gives the current direction will be changing. So the current direction is reversed by every off rotation of the time period. That means, so here the frequency is main important thing should be going on here. So how the electric generator will be need? How the electric generator working? How the electric generators are used in our homes and industries, factories like that. See, the main phenomenon of the electric generator is electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction. So, electromagnetic induction means already we are discussed in previous class electromagnetic induction. So, one of the magnetic field is placed near by the copper wound wire, then automatically the electricity will be produced. So we observe that electricity in galvanometer. So we will learn about this all electromagnetic induction. So the main phenomenon of electric generator is electromagnetic induction. Now, the experiment about generate induced current. How the induces current, the magnetic flux changes by the every half of the rotation of the circle. Let us see. And it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. So, in AC electric generator needs, it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. And the current can be induced in a coil by rotating it in a magnetic field. See, in previous DC motor, it means electric motor, we have a full rotation of the current direction could not be changed. But here the current direction will be changes from half of the rotation, and they have a electrical energy into mechanical energy, but here mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. So that's why we have to happen here. The current can be induced in a coil by rotating it then in a magnetic field. And the direction of the induced current can be found by using its Fleming's right hand rule. So which rule can be following the entire experiment? That means AC generator have need the Fleming right hand rule. So Fleming right hand rule, we can go with three fingers. One is thumb and one is forefinger and one is middle finger. The thumb is the direction of the force. And forefinger indicates the magnetic field and middle finger indicates direction of the current. So these are the main phenomenon of the AC electric generator. Let us see the block diagram of electric generator. See here the block diagram of AC electric generator, that means alternating current generator. So in previous electric motor we have used in split ring, one of the split ring, but here we have used in two slip rings. What is that? Slip rings. Let us see here. It is a concave shaped of the horseshoe magnets. One is north pole and another one is south pole. So this is a rectangular shaped copper coil that is called as armature. armature, that means A, B, C, D. So that look like the shape of the four corners A, B, C, D. The A, B, C, D have the rectangular shape of the armature coil. And see here, these are the rings R1 and R2. R1 and R2. This is the slip rings. The slip rings are connected to the brushes B1 and B2. Brush B1 and B2. And this is axle, that means rotating axle. When we have to use by the shaft means when pulling or pushing by the hand, by physical hand, then the axle is rotating. The axle is rotating means here the moving coil also rotating by using connecting between these slip rings. So the two brushes are connected to the galvanometer. See, B2 is connected to one end of the galvanometer and B1 is connected to the one end of the galvanometer. So the entire here, the block diagram needs how the current direction is induced by the circuit. The current direction shows here galvanometer. So this is enter the block diagram of electric generator by using north pole of the magnets, ABCD armature coil, slip rings, brushes, axle and galvanometer. See how the parts here. One is armature. Armature means ABCD rectangular copper coil, and R1, R2 are slip rings. R1, R2 are slip rings, and B1, B2 are brushes, and rotating axle and galvanometer, and finally concave shaped horseshoe magnet between these poles. That means one is north pole and one is south pole. This is the entire block diagram of AC electric generator. Is nothing but alternating current electric generator. See how the working here.